Hey everybody, today's video is being done in collaboration with Beebeecraft.com. They were nice enough to send me some molds, and this is my second video for the product demonstrations. I'm going to be brushing 5 colors of chameleon powder on here, and I'm going to start with the lightest color at the top and work my way down. Colors. I'm going to demold this and let's see how it came out. It's been about a half an hour since I poured it, and polyurethane resin definitely cures very quickly, so it only takes 10 minutes for this to cure. I just give it a little extra time just in case. Okay. All right, so that's pretty cool. That just popped right off there. I'll just use my little deburring tool to get any little pieces off. And I think that looks very nice. Like a multicolor home sign, and I like it. It's got 4 different colors and it looks pretty cool. Okay, so I got to thinking, this is nice, but I just want to add a little something extra to it. So I have some gold flakes here, and I'm just going to add some glue and see how that looks.
Sometimes I wonder what you're thinking. You're smiling a little differently. I wonder if it's up for me.
Okay, so I just have a little chameleon powder and I have this owl mold. Let me go ahead and just brush it inside. I'm going to do one like this and then one just with the resin mixed with mica powder. but I just want to see the difference in the effect that it gives. So I'm doing this 2 different ways because I have 2 molds. So we'll see how this turns out. I'm just brushing it very liberally, and I'm going to go ahead and dump out the excess and wipe it down. I'm just going to spray this paper towel with a little isopropyl alcohol and just wipe it in there. I'm hoping that the mica powder will stay in the grooves, and we'll see. Now I also have this other mold here, so I'm going to be pouring those. On this home mold, I have covered the back with some tape, and basically I had put some gold leaf on there and wiped it off where I thought there was too much, and then just to make it smooth and all, and now I'm just going to give it a top coat of resin. And I put a little bit of glitter as well.
Settle down, love. Don't be so restless. Only you have the power to get through this, and you know the truth. Come again, dear. No need to.
Okay, here it is. My sign is all done. It's later the same day. I removed the tape from the back. I still have a little bit of cleaning up to do, but look at this. I think it really came out very, very nice. I love the different colors with the gold flakes and a little bit of glitter. And thank you to Beebeecraft for sending me this mold. I really do love it. Okay, that's the one with the mica, and this is the one without the mica. So let's see what we got here. Ooh. That came out real easy. So this is the one without the mica powder. Isn't he so cute? Very nice. I love it. It's so nice. Now with the mica, okay. So me rubbing it with alcohol, I don't think really did anything. So it still has that mica color. Here they are together. Aren't they so adorable? And these would probably go very nicely in another project or just on their own as well. So that's that. And I have my home mold with my 2 owls right there. I think everything really came out great. Thank you to Beebeecraft for sending me these molds. I think they're all excellent quality, and if you are interested and you have a crafting channel with over 100 subscribers, then you can check out the link down below if you're interested in doing videos for them. Thank you so much everybody for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.